It's very nice. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm just gonna move it to the back. Oh, it's out of the way like you wanted it.
It's fine.
Okay.
No, it's
You
fine.
could. Okay. But can't, men be having problems. So whenever you do a TMJ massage, you're basically just relaxing the person's face first,
Mhm.
and then you put on your gloves, and then we'll go to our second phase of the TMJ. You'll see. So glad you finished school. That's school was and you finished your hours fast.
No, I didn't.
Really? I thought. Well,
I started in March. I was supposed to be done in October. If I would have went every day like I was supposed to, I would have been done in October. But I was bullshitting.
No. I mean fast when you told me to carry it up. Remember you saying you had like 100 hours? You did
Yeah.
that shit fast.
That's because I bullshitted that shit and wrote that shit off.
Yeah, them motherfuckers don't really give a fuck. They just
No, they
fuck
don't.
with people. Be a little bit of pressure. No worries. I'm being very careful around the edges.
You're fine.
The baby hair, all that good stuff. I don't mess with nobody's stuff.
I don't never mess with them either, so it don't matter.
Okay, so now I put on my gloves. So normally I would get under the neck and all that good stuff, but you know, time purposes, we gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah, that one night you was working back to back to back massages. So all we're gonna do, we're just gonna open wide. So this, my index finger is gonna go in, and it's gonna pull to the side, and go as wide as you can open. There you go. And then close. Ooh, I'm sorry, open again. And close. There we go. So see, I'm right on that little notch, that little temporal mandibular junction, TMJ. And it can hurt a little bit, but and it's basically just an infra-orbital massage. At any point, if it hurts, just let me know. Is Black Ink Crew, they still in Chicago? Or they were somewhere else, Miami?
New York.
New York, okay. Yeah, because he said that the gun shop, yeah, that gotta be somewhere different. It's like Chicago, Well, they probably would have given the same years, maybe.
No, they got it's New York, Chicago, and then I think they made one in LA.
I forget it was even on there anymore. It's been a while since I watched Black Ink Crew. It's been a minute.
I watched Black Ink Crew on Netflix, and I gotta
Mm-hmm.
go on Hulu for my Love and Hip Hop.
What's going on with Love and Hip? Is it?
They moved to Atlanta, so they was on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta instead
Okay.
of New York.
Okay. Well, I think because you're in shape, you can actually feel your junction in the mouth. But I know it's a little painful. It's like, oh, not painful, but it's like, what the hell is that feeling? But right in here, some people think it's off track, and so like you have to like pull it and like pull it back into track, depending on what side is off track. And so you just massaging and just showing people that's what we do. The other side, and then you gotta open up wide. Okay, and then close. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Open this side. There we go. Like close. Perfect. Wow. Yeah, you definitely feel your like on mine, not so much because my jaw's all jacked up. Plus, I got a lot of weight. People who are shaking, yeah, y'all good. Now see how I can feel your like, when you swallow. So that's what I'm saying. Like the mouth, when you go to a massage school, you'll be like, oh, that was that stifling process underneath my tongue, or that was my Petri gold muscles on the front side.
What the hell are you talking about?
I know. Once you get there, you're like, oh, okay. That's what the fuck he's talking about when he swallowed. Oh, that's the muscle I felt. The masseter muscle, which is right here, that chewing muscle. I don't know if you ever seen like a cow chew or like a horse. You see that big old muscle on the side of the face? It's called a masseter muscle. And we got one too. Almost everybody has one. But it gets a lot of stress and gives you headaches. So when somebody says that, I'm like, man, I got ringing in my ears. I got tendinitis, or I have some sort of headache around my eye sockets. That's not a migraine. That's actually tension. That's temporal mandibular. Because anything with eyes and mouth, that's temporal. But if you have headaches back here at their parietal bones, or back here towards your backside of your cranium, those are migraines. That's when you got problems. You need to go to a doctor. Or take it easy and don't be stressed out. Okay, so we're gonna open up wide. Perfect. And this time we're just doing, you can close down. Perfect. So a lot of people get their Kim Kardashian, or well, they all had lip um, procedures. And so when you need to do lymphatic drainage and their lips get too swole, or sometimes that stuff that you put in the mouth like Restylane or Dysport, there's so many different types of Botox or injections or fillables or fillers. So you need to have somebody come in and like push. Because sometimes that stuff, it will stay stagnant. It doesn't go into your bloodstream and go where it needs to be. So you got to get lymphatic drainage. So this would be a good procedure to get for somebody. So this time we're gonna open up wide, and I'm just gonna massage the inside of the gum. So just like when the baby's crying, like, wah, we're getting on the nerves, but, you know, we're going through that teething phase. Like, man, you got to soothe the gums. It's the same thing for us. Another side. And now the roof of the mouth, or upper. And you can relax a little bit. Perfect. Cool. Go. Ready? Go. Or as wide as you can. Yep. So then this time you're gonna stick out, almost like on, like you're touching your lip. There you go. Perfect. Then let it just slide right there. There you go. Perfect. Wonderful. That's all we need to do.